Hey Deployment Insiders, today we want to take a closer look at a new capability we have added to the exclusion window feature in servicing profiles. With this change, you can scope an exclusion window to an AzureAD group. If this sounds interesting to you, stick around till after the intro. The Update Exclusion Window feature enables you as an admin to specify a time frame in which servicing profiles should not deal out any updates to the devices which are in scope. In the past, this was kind of an on-off activity, so setting an Update Exclusion Window excluded all devices from being serviced during this specific time frame. An example scenario where this could be a problem is if, for example, the finance department is approaching you and asking for stopping updates between, for example, next Thursday to the following Monday, because they are wrapping up their fiscal year and they need to focus on their work and can't deal with any updates during this time frame. With the updated capability of the Update Exclusion Window, you can now address this scenario. So when we look at the portal, there's a new option when configuring an Update Exclusion Window to select a specific AzureAD group. So we can scope this to a group and select there, for example, a group which contains all users from the finance department or all devices from the finance department. As always in servicing profile, you can mix and match if you want to work with devices, which in this case must be AzureAD joined, or you want to work with users, so the servicing profile will make the translation in the back end, which devices have an activated Microsoft 365 app installed from these specific users. Or, as I mentioned, you can mix and match those both. Hit create and the exclusion window is created and is only scoped to this specific group. At the time of the recording of this video, the feature was just released into public preview, but it should already be available in your tenant. We are planning to release this feature into GA till the end of 2022, so feel free to start testing around and putting it to use where needed. Thanks for watching this short video. Please give us a like if you like this type of content, and also subscribe if you haven't already, so we can catch you the next time we release new videos. Until then, keep on deploying.